I want to show you two examples. First, we have a dog, same pose, multiple styles. And this one, same body position, totally different environment and outfit. For each of these examples, these were my starting images. And to get these results, I didn't use Midjourney's editor, I didn't use retexture or image references, I used Remix Subtle. And once you see how easy this is, you're probably going to wonder why you haven't tried this before. First, we need to understand the difference between Vary and Remix, because on the surface they look similar, but they work differently. You're probably familiar with the Vary buttons that you see on Midjourney's Create page here, or in this menu when you click to open the image. Vary creates variations using your image and the prompt that you used to create the image. Midjourney takes what's already there and just generates new versions within that same space. So similar colors, lighting, style, subject matter, and composition. We can choose between a subtle or strong variation. With Very Subtle, we get variations that stay pretty close to the original. And with Very Strong, we get more variation, but it's still working within that same visual space and composition. Remix does something different. It lets you change your prompt before you submit the job. Let me show you. First, if you don't see Remix here, click More Options and make sure that Remix is checked. Now I'll click Remix Subtle. And my goal here is to keep the same composition, but I want to change the color of the dog to black. So I'm just going to add the word black here in the prompt and submit. And here are the results. The overall image structure stayed the same. We have the same pose and composition, but by just adding the word black to the prompt, the dog begins changing colors. And this is why Remix Subtle is so powerful and why I'm making this video. Now look at the same thing with Remix Strong. With a strong remix, Midjourney holds onto the original image more loosely. You can get more dramatic changes, but you start to lose that initial image composition and style. So Remix Subtle allows you to keep the same image structure, but it lets you make changes in the prompt that will push your results towards something new, whether that's a new visual style or a complete transformation of the environment. So if we can keep the same image structure but change how things look just by updating the prompt, this means that we can easily use style references to change the style. And that's what I did with that first example that I showed you. I clicked Remix Subtle on the first image. Then I added an SREF code to the prompt and ran it. You can run several different SREF codes and quickly explore completely different styles using that same base image. One tip though, when you're using Remix to change styles, it's going to work best if you're staying within the same medium. So going from illustration to illustration, for example, tends to be the easiest. You can definitely switch mediums, but just be sure to update your prompt to reflect that. So if you're going from an illustration to a photo, just be sure to start your remix prompt with something like photo of, in addition to including your photographic style reference. The second example is one that I shared in my June prompt guide over on Patreon, and it's a practical workaround for a frustrating problem. Getting Midjourney to generate a complex body position consistently can be a challenge. But for the first step in this next example, I want you to forget about describing the character's outfit and the environment, because adding more stuff to that first prompt when you're already working with a more complex body position can sometimes cause the pose to completely fall apart in your results like you're seeing here. And no matter what changes you make to your prompt text, Midjourney might not be able to satisfy all of the details in your prompt. Prompt adherence has come a long way with Midjourney in the last couple of years, but there's still room for improvement. So instead of trying to get everything right with a single prompt, try focusing on just getting the body position first. Once you get that right, use Remix Subtle to transform the image into what you want. This is the image and prompt that I started with. A woman leaning back with her hands placed behind her, legs extended in front of her. Midjourney decided everything else, so what she looked like and the environment. And just a side note, I did include the raw parameter here, which can help improve prompt adherence. So this was my starting point. Then I ran Remix Subtle on this image and I updated the prompt to describe where I wanted her to be. I kept the original prompt text and I just added that she's on a grassy lawn in a park. And this was one of the first results that I got. So the body pose is still the same, but the environment hasn't fully committed to being an outdoor scene yet. It's sort of mid-transition. And if you compare these two images closely, you can still see the shape of the yoga mat, which is turning to grass. We still have the radiator and windows here, but it's shifting towards an outdoor scene. With a big transformation like this, it's going to take more than one round of remixing. So for the second round, I ran Remix Subtle on this image. And this time I wanted to continue changing the environment, but also add in a description for an outfit. So I added wearing linen pants and a short sleeve top. And here was the result. Midjourney kept the body position the same, but now she's wearing a completely different outfit. And by the way, I'm not focusing on keeping the same character in this example. This is more about getting a challenging body position to still work when you also want a specific environment and outfit. So in the second round, the radiator has transformed into a bench, and those windows are getting farther away, but now you can start to see the outside of a building. With just 2 rounds of Remix Subtle, we're in a very different image. The pose is intact, but the environment, outfit, and lighting have changed. So this is what Remix Subtle can do when you use it as a step change tool to build towards the image that you want. Try it out and let me know what you think. If you want to get more out of Midjourney, I do have a Patreon community where every month I release detailed prompt guides, tips, and tutorials. This month's guide focused on pen and ink sketches and storybook style references. I also have a Midjourney course over there, and there's even a free tier, so if you like my teaching style, come take a look. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.